HAES stands for health at every size.
Yeah, healthy at every size. So what's your opinion on the HAES/fat acceptance attitude? Is it positive or detrimental? Yes, we actually have had some conversations between the two of us about this whole body acceptance attitude and everything. And you guys know we're trainers and our whole business is about living lean and changing your body and transforming.
From my experience, it's all about becoming more confident in life. And that's what's done by getting your health in check. Because that was
it's not about skinny or fat.
No,
really.
it's not. It's at the deepest, chorus level. When I transformed my body, it wasn't about getting a six-pack. I thought it was at the time. I thought that's what I wanted at the time. But now that I've done it and I'm living it and what I see has changed in myself, it's all about self-confidence. About if I can change my body like that, I can accomplish anything in life. I can meet the girl of my dreams, attract the girl of my dreams. I can get the job of my life. I can create the career that I want. I can do anything if you can do that to your body. That's what living lean is about. It's not just about losing weight. So I think that may answer your question. And the acronym is actually HAES, stands for health at every size.
Yeah, healthy at every size.
So I agree with that. Just because you are 6% body fat, 8% body fat, 10% body fat, doesn't necessarily mean you're healthy.
And it doesn't make you better or worse than the person next to you who's a different percentage.
Like there could be a guy who's 12% body fat that's healthier than the guy at 6% body fat.
Absolutely.
It's health isn't just about being as muscular and thin and abs popping everywhere, because as you guys know, the fitness competitors that do that, they are probably at some of their least healthy times when they're that low body fat. So that is not what living lean is about. So I would say,
I have to admit, I've been at a leaner body fat percentage than I am now, and I was a miserable cranky bitch.
Exactly.
And having a little bit more body fat made me healthier. It made me more fertile. It made me feel more feminine and more sexy and more curvy. The answer is not always lower body fat is better. That's not the case. But to just accept yourself the way that you are. If you're truly unhappy with the way that you look in the mirror and you wake up every morning and you look at yourself and you're like, ew, I don't like this.
Ew.
But then you turn around that afternoon and go, I'm just gonna accept myself. I just feel a lot of people are being fake about it when they're accepting what they have, but they actually don't like it or actually prefer to be leaner, stronger, more fit.
And that's a great point that you brought up, because I talk about that in my Think and Live Lean book, where it's the balance of accepting where you are and just using it as an excuse to not go even further. For example, if you lose 25 pounds, I want you to be excited about losing that 25 pounds, but if you still have another 25 that you need to lose to get healthy, don't just rest on that 25 pounds, be like, I lost 25 pounds, I did something and I'm good. It's no, let's get you even further to get you into that health zone.
It's like climbing halfway up Mount Everest and then just justifying the fact that, climbing up halfway is really good, and just not going all the way just because you're too tired,
but just make sure
you don't feel like it,
But just make sure if you do get to the top of Mount Everest that you do get back down again.
Safely and alive.
That is more than half the battle, is getting back down.
It's a funny analogy. Hopefully that clarifies how we feel about the whole acceptance thing.
You can now get access to all our workout programs, recipes, and meal plans inside our workout app. Try it for free today. Link in the description. Now let's get back to the episode.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I